Ano po yung, how does it feel to win po again after 5 years?
It feels great to win, after 5 years, especially in the past 3-4 years. I've been kind of struggling with my game. To win again, especially with a lot of young kids around, it feels good to win at this age. And it's at least you know that your hard work has paid off.
Did it ever occur to you po na mahaba pa yung drought ninyo after a 73 start?
Not really naman. I mean, tournaments are like that. You can start bad, you can start good. It all depends on how you finish. Nobody wins after the first round in any tournament. There are 4 rounds. You have to put in 4 good rounds to win a tournament, and which I did. Shooting 4 under and 5 under today, that was pretty big. Coming from one shot, I was 1 shot behind Rowe. It helps.
Can you tell us